Hi, my name is Tony Jenkins, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how you use a Indian Healing Clay Face Mask. So before you start, you're going to need the products. Of course, you're going to need the actual clay. It's the Aztec Secret Clay, and when you get it, it's going to be in an actual powder. You're going to need tea tree oil. It's best to get the skin health, and you need some type of kit to actually put the face mask in. I would recommend that you do not use any type of metal, because if you use any type of metal, it will deactivate the combination of the Indian Healing Clay and the actual apple cider vinegar. You need a brass kind, not just regular apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to show you how to mix it. So you're going to put about a teaspoon of the powder into your mixing bowl. Secondly, I'm going to take the tea tree oil. I'm going to put about about 6 drops of it in. Lastly, I'm going to add maybe about 2 capfuls of the apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar is very strong, but it actually pulls all of the dirt out of your face. So you don't need too much, just enough to stir the mixture around. So this is how it's gonna look when you first start, but as I mix, it's gonna turn into a solution, and it's gonna be making like noise, like fizzing noises. Okay, so this is how it's gonna start looking if it's done right. Stay tuned for part 2. So for part 2 of the video, you're going to take the same ingredients and the same tools as you used the first time, but this time you're going to add a sponge. This has wet water in it. It's going to allow for all of the product to absorb into her skin. So I'm just going to pat her face gently so we can get it kind of wet, so the product will go in. And her face is clear right now. She doesn't have on any makeup or anything. So this is a sponge. You don't use any metal because, like I said, it will deactivate the properties of the Indian Healing Clay. So I'm just gonna rub it in your skin. How does it feel?
It feels nice actually. So,
it's just strong, right?
I don't smell it. Well, maybe it's because I got a cold, but well, I do. It smells like alcohol, or is that not it?
That's the vinegar in it.
Oh, it smells like alcohol. Yeah, it is strong.
So this is really just one layer. It's one layer, and what we're gonna do is we're going to let this sit on her face for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and it's gonna get hard, and we'll be back in just a second.
So this is the benefit side of the clay mask. So the clay mask actually makes your skin more refreshing. It gets rid of blackheads and pimples, and it also helps with blemishes. And another thing, make sure that you use a moisturizer afterwards, because as you can see, she just took the clay mask off, but her face is very dry. Also, this is a fun fact about the clay mask. You could actually use it in your hair to make your curls pop, have a little bit more volume in your hair, but that's only if you want to.